How to delete comment in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete comment in Figma. In order to do so, first of all, open your Figma application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now from here, locate your recent designs where you have added comment previously. Simply double click on it to open it. Now once you open it, you will be taken to this editing space. Here wait until the interface loads, and once it loads, you will land on this page. Now here you will need to locate the comment that you have added previously. You will be able to see a profile initial in this page if you have added any comments. In case if you are not able to view it, then you may simply click on this comment icon at the very bottom in this toolbar, and once after doing that, at the right top you will be able to see your comment. From here, hover a cursor over it and then click on the three dots icon. Once you click on it, you will be able to see this menu. From here, you'll need to simply click on this delete thread option. By doing so, you'll be able to delete it. Or else, if you are able to locate the comment in this canvas, you can simply click on it and then you'll be able to see the comment in a full view. From here, you will need to locate the three dots icon and simply click on it. After that, you'll be able to see the same menu. Simply click on delete thread and confirm it by clicking on this delete once again from this pop-up. By doing so, you'll be able to remove your comment. Once it is deleted, you'll not be able to bring it back. So, by following these steps, you should be able to delete comment in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.